What's the meaning of angel hair? Angel hair. Angel hair. Angel hair. Angel hair. Angel hair.
Angel hair refers to a type of pasta that is long and thin, resembling delicate strands of hair. It is typically made from durum wheat semolina and has a delicate texture that pairs well with light sauces, such as tomato and basil. The name angel hair comes from the pasta's delicate and fine appearance, resembling the strands of an angel's hair. It is a popular choice for dishes such as pasta primavera, where the lightness of the pasta allows the flavors of the vegetables and sauce to shine through.